Hey everybody, so tonight I made up these spicy chicken adobo hot pockets, I guess you could call them. We used pizza dough that we had frozen, homemade pizza dough that was frozen, some shredded and chopped leftover chicken adobo from dinner. Then I removed as much fat as we could by placing it in the freezer. Skimmed off all the fat and then shred and chop up the chicken. Then one batch I had put mozzarella cheese, ginger paste and garlic powder with about half of an chipotle adobo pepper. I mashed the pepper in with the cheese, and when the chicken was ready to put in, I mixed everything together, and then my wife and I put everything in these hot pocket. So here's a sample of half of one, and I'll tell you how it is. Yep. This is a sample of the cream cheese. Creamy, unbelievable. You can taste the adobo chicken, and then you can taste the adobo chipotle peppers, and the hints of the adobo adobo, but the garlic and the ginger that I mixed in with the mixture. But it turned out really good, really good. If you could lick your screen now, I'd say lick your screen. I don't have to, so I'm eating it now. All right, guys, aloha. Okay, so this is the other half of the mixture. So the other half of the mixture, I put in mozzarella cheese, the other half of the one adobo chipotle pepper, mashed it all up in the cheese with some ginger paste and garlic powder. Then I added in, I'd say there was the equivalent of about 2.5 to 3 chicken thighs worth of meat with the cheese and pepper and stuff together, and we put it into the pizza dough. So here's the pizza with the mozzarella cheese hot pocket, adobo hot pocket. So here we go. Wow. I don't know which one's better. The cream cheese has a nice, mellow, smooth creaminess to it. Then this one with the mozzarella has a little bit more of a tang to the cheese taste, but still all the same chicken adobo flavor, adobo pepper flavor, and all its goodness inside of this little hot pocket pizza roll, whatever you want to call it. The last one was good. This one was good too. It's just a little different. It has a little bit of a tang, but both very delicious. Yeah, that's why it's good to be me. Aloha, guys.